Buying a laptop.
Hello, welcome to our shop. I am happy to see you today.
Hello, thank you very much. I am happy to be here.
Please, tell me how I can help you today.
I am looking for a new laptop for my daily use.
That sounds great. Can you tell me what you want to use it for?
I want to use it for study, online classes, and simple work.
That is very clear. I have a good option for you.
Really? I'm glad to hear that.
This laptop is easy to use and very good for beginners.
That sounds perfect because I am not very good with technology.
No problem at all. Many people feel the same way.
The design looks nice and clean.
Yes, it is modern and also very light to carry.
I carry my bag every day, so weight is important.
Then this laptop is a good choice for you.
How long can I use it without charging?
The battery can last about 8 hours with normal use.
8 hours is very good for a full day.
Yes, you can study, watch videos, and work comfortably.
I also attend video calls for classes.
The camera and sound quality are very clear.
That makes me feel confident.
Many students use this laptop for online learning.
Is the keyboard comfortable for typing?
Yes, the keyboard is soft and easy to use.
That is good because I type a lot.
Then your hands will be happy.
Is it difficult to learn how to use it?
No, the system is simple and user-friendly.
That helps me a lot.
You can learn everything step by step.
Can I save many files on it?
Yes, it has enough space for documents and videos.
That sounds exactly what I need.
Would you like to try it for a moment?
Yes, I would like to try it.
Please, take your time and test it.
It feels smooth and easy to use.
I'm glad you like it.
I feel confident about buying this one.
That is a great decision.
Talking about a movie.
I watched the movie last night and it made me feel relaxed.
That sounds nice. I also watched a movie at home.
Really? I am curious about the movie you watched.
It was a simple movie about friendship and family.
I like movies with warm and friendly stories.
Me too. They make me feel calm and happy.
Was the story easy to understand?
Yes, the story was clear and slow.
That is perfect for enjoying the movie.
The characters were kind and helpful.
I really enjoy kind characters.
They make the movie better.
Did the movie have funny moments?
Yes, some scenes made me laugh a lot.
Laughter makes a movie special.
I agree with that.
Did you watch the movie alone or with someone?
I watched it with my family at home.
That sounds very comfortable.
Yes, we enjoyed it together.
The movie I watched was exciting and interesting.
Was it an action movie?
Yes, it had action and adventure.
That sounds fun, but a little noisy.
Yes, it was noisy but enjoyable.
How long was the movie?
It was about 2 hours long.
That is a good length for a movie.
Yes, time passed very fast.
That means the movie was good.
Exactly. A good movie feels short.
I like watching movies at home more than outside.
Me too. Home feels relaxed.
We can pause and talk freely.
That is true.
Maybe we can share movie suggestions later.
That is a great idea.
I would like that.
Me too.
At the doctor's clinic.
Hello. Please come in and have a seat.
Hello, doctor. Thank you.
Please tell me how you are feeling today.
I have a headache and I feel weak.
I am sorry to hear that.
I also have a cough and light fever.
How long have you felt this way?
For about 2 days now.
Have you been resting well at home?
Not really. I was busy with work.
That can make the problem worse.
Yes, I think so too.
Are you drinking enough water daily?
I forget to drink water sometimes.
Water is very important for recovery.
I will be more careful.
Let me check your temperature and breathing.
Okay.
Please take a slow, deep breath.
Like this?
Yes, that is good.
Is it something serious?
No, it is not serious at all.
That makes me feel better.
You only need rest and simple medicine.
Will I be okay soon?
Yes, you will feel better in a few days.
Thank you for explaining clearly.
You are welcome.
Should I stay home and rest?
Yes, rest is very important.
I will follow your advice.
Please also eat light food.
I will do that.
Do you have any other questions?
No, everything is clear.
I wish you a fast recovery.
Thank you very much, doctor. At the sports shop.
Welcome to the sports shop. Please look around freely.
Thank you. I am looking for sports shoes.
That is great. Do you play any sport?
Yes, I like walking and light running.
Then comfort is very important.
Yes, I want shoes that feel soft.
These shoes are very comfortable and light.
They look strong and nice.
They are good for daily exercise.
Can I try them on?
Of course, please take your time.
They feel very comfortable.
I am happy to hear that.
My feet feel relaxed inside them.
That is a good sign.
Are they good for long walks?
Yes, they support your feet well.
That is important for me.
Many customers like this model.
I can see why.
Do you like the color?
Yes, it matches my style.
That is great.
How long do they usually last?
With normal use, they last a long time.
That makes them worth buying.
I agree.
Are they easy to clean?
Yes, you can clean them easily.
That helps a lot.
Would you like to buy them today?
Yes, I feel confident about this choice.
Excellent decision.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
At the gym.
Welcome to the gym. I am happy to see you here today.
Thank you. I am a little nervous because this is my first day.
That feeling is very normal, and many people feel the same way.
I want to start exercising, but I do not know where to begin.
That is okay. We will start slowly and step by step.
That makes me feel more comfortable already.
Can you tell me your main goal at the gym?
I want to feel healthier and have more energy.
That is a great goal and very realistic.
I do not want anything too hard.
We will keep it simple and safe for you.
Thank you for understanding.
First, we will do a light warm-up.
Warm-up sounds easy enough.
It helps your body get ready for exercise.
I did not know that before.
Many beginners learn this on their first day.
I am learning already.
That is great to hear.
How many times should I come each week?
3 times a week is a good start.
That sounds manageable for me.
We will also focus on breathing and posture.
I often forget to breathe correctly.
I will remind you during exercises.
I appreciate that support.
Do you feel comfortable using machines?
A little scared, to be honest.
I will show you how to use them safely.
That makes me feel better.
You can always ask questions.
Thank you for being kind and patient.
It is my job to support you.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence grows with time and practice.
I am ready to try my first exercise.
Wonderful. Let us begin slowly.
Okay, I am ready. Buying a bus ticket.
Hello, where would you like to go today?
Hello, I would like to buy a bus ticket.
Sure. Please tell me your destination.
I want to go to the city center.
That is a common route and very easy.
I do not travel by bus very often.
No problem. I will help you.
Thank you. That is kind of you.
Would you like a one-way or return ticket?
I would like a return ticket, please.
When do you plan to come back?
I plan to return this evening.
That works well with this ticket.
How long is the bus ride?
It takes about 40 minutes.
That is not too long.
The bus is comfortable and clean.
That is good to know.
Do you want a window seat if possible?
Yes, I like looking outside.
I will choose that for you.
Thank you very much.
The bus leaves in 20 minutes.
That gives me enough time.
Please arrive at the gate early.
I will do that.
The price for the return ticket is reasonable.
That is good for my budget.
Here is your ticket and receipt.
I will keep them safe.
Do you need directions to the bus stop?
Yes, that would help me.
Go straight and turn left.
That sounds easy.
If you have questions, just ask.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thank you. I will. Traveling by train.
This train looks quite busy today.
Yes, many people are traveling right now.
Is this your first time on this route?
Yes, I feel a little unsure.
Do not worry. I am also going the same way.
That makes me feel more relaxed.
The seats look comfortable.
Yes, I'm glad we found seats together.
How long is the train journey?
I think it is about 2 hours.
That is a good time for reading or resting.
I brought a book with me.
That is a nice way to pass time.
Do you travel by train often?
Yes, I like trains more than buses.
I like the smooth movement.
It feels calm and steady.
The view outside is beautiful.
Yes, I enjoy watching the countryside.
It helps me relax my mind.
Traveling can be peaceful sometimes.
Do you usually talk to people on trains?
Sometimes, when the conversation feels natural.
I'm glad we started talking.
Me too. It makes the trip nicer.
Do you have snacks with you?
Yes, I brought some water and fruit.
That is smart planning.
The train food is not always good.
That is true.
We still have some time before arrival.
I will read for a while.
I will enjoy the view quietly.
Thank you for the nice conversation.
You're welcome.
This journey feels pleasant now.
I agree completely.
A day without a phone.
Today was different because I did not use my phone.
Really? That sounds very hard to do.
Yes, at first it felt strange and uncomfortable.
I understand that feeling very well.
I wanted to check messages many times.
That happens to me too.
After some time, I felt more relaxed.
That sounds interesting.
I noticed things around me more.
Like people and nature?
Yes, exactly like that.
That sounds peaceful.
I also read a book quietly.
Reading without a phone is nice.
Yes, my mind felt calm.
Did you miss any important calls?
No, everything was fine.
That is good to hear.
I talked more with people face to face.
Real conversations feel special.
Yes, they feel more human.
I want to try a day without my phone too.
I think it will be good for you.
I feel nervous just thinking about it.
That feeling is normal.
Maybe I will try it on the weekend.
That is a smart plan.
Did you sleep better at night?
Yes, I slept deeply and peacefully.
That is a big benefit.
Yes, I agree.
I think phones control us sometimes.
That is very true.
We need balance in our lives.
Balance makes life better.
Thank you for sharing your experience.
You're welcome.
Talking about the last trip.
You look happy today. Did you travel recently?
Yes, I just came back from a short trip.
That sounds interesting. Where did you go?
I went to a quiet town near the mountains.
That must have been very relaxing.
Yes, the air was fresh and clean.
Did you go alone or with someone?
I went with my family.
Family trips can be very special.
We spent a lot of time talking together.
That is a nice way to connect.
We also walked a lot.
Walking in nature feels refreshing.
I felt calm and happy there.
Did you take many photos?
Yes, I wanted to remember the moments.
Photos help us keep memories alive.
The food there was simple but tasty.
Local food is often the best.
I agree with that.
How long was the trip?
It was only 3 days.
Short trips can still feel meaningful.
Yes, it felt like a break for my mind.
Did you feel sad to return?
A little, but I feel grateful too.
That is a healthy feeling.
I want to travel more in the future.
Traveling helps us learn new things.
It also helps me feel confident.
Confidence grows with experiences.
I am already planning my next trip.
That sounds exciting.
I hope it will be just as nice.
I am sure it will be.
Thank you for listening.
I enjoyed hearing about it.
Returning a product.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to return a product.
I am sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
The item does not work as I expected.
I understand. That can be frustrating.
Yes, I felt disappointed when I used it.
Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, I kept it carefully.
Thank you for bringing it.
I was not sure about the return process.
Do not worry. I will explain everything.
Thank you. That helps me feel calm.
When did you buy the product?
I bought it 3 days ago.
That is within our return period.
That is good to hear.
Would you like a refund or exchange?
I would prefer a refund, please.
That is completely fine.
I was worried it might be difficult.
We try to make it easy for customers.
I appreciate that service.
Please give me a moment to check the item.
Of course, take your time.
Everything looks fine for the return.
That is a relief.
I will process your refund now.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
The staff here is very helpful.
We are happy to hear that.
I will continue shopping here.
We look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you for your kindness.
It is always our pleasure.